like a Mustang. See ya. I got a watch on my wrist, is a bust down. See ya. I'm tryna hop on a flight out of town. See ya. I send my baby to bring it right round.
Welcome back, YouTube. Joseph here. We're in 2026, and I'm telling you guys, we're popping off with this YouTube stuff, with this business stuff, okay? We have 4 duplexes that we're going to be cleaning all their roofs today, all 4 tile roofs, and you're going to be getting better video once we're up there later on. It's just crazy to see the things that we're doing. It's definitely going to be the biggest job I've ever done, biggest job we've ever done this year, but we're only going to get bigger and better. Today, we're going to be using a boom lift. We actually got a little bit of help from one of my boys with his setup that we're going to be using. Let me know what you guys think of the shirts. We got new shirts. Yes, sir. 500-gallon tank, 8 gallons on the GX 690. Soft wash system right there. And then, all right, got pressure wash hose, garden hose, and all that stuff. So stay tuned. I'm really just excited to see how this is going to turn out, before and afters. And then to mess with a soft wash system, because it's going to be the first time I'm actually messing with a soft wash system. So if you guys want to learn, just keep watching. Like and subscribe. Let's go.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Joseph here, back with another video for you guys. We are going to only be getting better at this content stuff, at this business stuff, and everything of that nature. So if you can see what we have going on here, I am currently probably about 50 feet up in the air right now, and we're cleaning a tile roof. We're actually cleaning 4 tile roofs. I'm currently on a boom lift. I'm just a little nervous being up here. Nothing too crazy, but this is part of it, right? If you guys are not challenging yourselves, putting yourselves in uncomfortable positions, then what are you doing? I mean, I don't want to be up here. I'd rather not. I'd rather be pressure washing the driveway, obviously. But if I stay stuck on pressure washing driveways, then that's all I'm gonna do.
All right, Antoine, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Feeling smooth, very protected, very well.
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
What else? What safety protection are you using today?
We got a mask right now. We got some glasses. I'm not using the meta. You know.
Why do you think you need that mask on?
Oh well, the amount of chemical that we're going to be cleaning up here is very strong. So unless you don't care about your life, then you can go ahead and not wear a mask. But for the ones that do care about their life, you definitely want to wear a mask when doing this, because the chemical is so strong, it'll probably kill your liver.
Yes, your lungs.
Lungs, liver, anything inside of your body.
We got all the plastic down. Make sure we plasticize everything. And Anthony's here. Make sure everything gets watered down, nice and good.
A few moments later.
All right, YouTube, we are back. I look super tired because I am tired, but we are on day 3 today. Showed you guys a little bit of day 2. Anthony here. We're tackling the last roof on the back side. We had already did that one, and that one there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna be walking to the front. So the main thing that we're making sure, like I said, is that, like Anthony up there,
Going on, Chut?
main thing we're making sure on this job is that we are making sure we water everything down, all these plants and bushes. You don't want anything to die. And then obviously safety. We want to make sure we're safe. We want to make sure that we're taking care of these people's homes, because if not, you're gonna have some problems. For those who are in this industry, you guys know that this is a big job. This is a pretty big job, and I'm so glad that we're starting off 2026 like this, because it's only gonna get better and bigger, and it's proof that we're growing, right? We're soft washing 4 tile roofs right now on a boom lift. So If you guys want to grow your business, pressure washing, learn how to market, learn how to grow, learn how to get better at your skills, anything like that, just join the fam. Join the membership. It's a couple dollars a month for some insights, and we get to talk one-on-one on how we can work together on growing your business. All right, so it is Brad out here, so I'm gonna let y'all go.
What's up, chat? If you guys want to learn how to get into things like this, comment down below, Seth.
All right, guys, so we are starting the front now. All 4 of the fronts. And I'm on the boom lift right now. And this stuff does not get any better. The more you get on it, it does not get any better. You'll see probably half the videos I'm shaking. I'm barely moving right now because I'm currently pooping on myself. All right, y'all. So as y'all seen in the video, this is a very big job. Lots of communication, lots of safety. And, you know, we definitely make sure that we're watering these plants. You can see Trey here making sure he's getting water all over the vegetation of the plants. Places where we don't want the chemical, because that is a big no-no, okay? So Anthony's up there spraying. Me and Trey are down there spraying the water. So, you know, like I said, lots of communication. Definitely could have done it without them. So if you guys look forward to more content like this, just like and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. And let's just rock out from here. Enjoy the video.
At least it's not windy.
At least I'm not fat. I would not be doing this.
You're lucky I'm not up there with you. I'd be jumping up and down.
Yo, we out here. Hello.